Hi everyone, my name is Roshlyn Martinez, and today I'm going to be showing my e-portfolio of my Education 385 class. So I do have a couple other things that you can check out on my blog if you're interested for the classes. For history, I put it first because it is the most recent for me. So it's going to be on the history tab. And today I'm just going to be talking about the major assignments I have. I have also included pictures, videos, and other resources throughout the entire thing, so you're more than welcome to check those out as well. And for each assignment, I have a short description of the assignment, a short reflection, and then a link to my actual assignment as well. So you can go into depth and check those out further. So my first assignment is the annual pacing schedule. I definitely had a lot of fun doing this. It was definitely time consuming, but it felt really awesome once I was able to complete it. And I do think it prepared me if I have to do this in the future, that I definitely feel prepared enough to do that. Next is my twin text assignment, and this assignment I really loved. For mine, I did it on Martin Luther King and the Civil Rights Movement, so I compared two books together, and I think this would be awesome to use in an actual classroom, so if you want to check mine out, I have mine linked here as well. Next is my cultural learning experience, and this one was definitely the assignment that I think it best represents me, just because I really want to get to know other cultures and learn about them, and I think through this assignment I was able to do that. And I think it's really important to show support where you're able to, so this definitely allowed me to try something new. And I have it linked here if you want to check out everything that I did. I learned a lot from it. And next I have my integrated lesson plan. This for me was definitely the most challenging assignment, just because I tried to put too much content into a short lesson plan, and it wasn't necessary, and I did have to go back and redo it, but once I was able to do that, I do think that I got my point across, and I was able to fix it and make it fun and engaging and educational. So next is my unit plan, and this assignment wasn't necessarily challenging, but definitely time consuming. It's not something you can just do in one day. You had to create your unit plan as well as 3 lessons. I did mine on Black Lives Matter just because, once again, it's something that I believe in. So I had a lot of fun actually being able to do it. And I do think that I was able to provide something that would be good for a classroom setting. Next is my technology investigation. I had a lot of fun doing this just because I do think incorporating technology in the classroom is important, and I appreciated that I was able to incorporate technology into my technology investigation, which was really cool for me. And next is my virtual community service assignment, and this is definitely the one that I'm most proud of, just because I took a lot of time and it was really insightful for me. I learned a lot about myself, and I was able to, put myself in the shoes as being an educator, which I am going to do in the future. So it was definitely the most help for me in the job aspect. And then down here, I just have a couple more resources that you're more than welcome to look at, that I've used personally throughout the class. So, thank you.